Today we are discussing IMO Class 4 2010 paper Part 2. Part 1 already uploaded in the channel. 21st question. Which of the following represents the same values? Here how many total part? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many shaded? 4 shaded. That is 4 by 8. Here how many? Here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so 20. But 20 out of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 into 10, 100. 20 divided by 100. 20 divided by 100 means 2 by 10. That is 1 by 5. So 4 by 8 is not equal to 1 by 5. And then we look at this. This is 4 by 8. 4 by 8. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. 4 by 100. This is 1 by 25, not 4 by 8. So this is not possible. Here 4 by 8. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 tens are 50 divided by 10 into 10, 100. Is it? Yes. This is same as this. So 50 by 100. 50 by 100. We cancel this. Then 5 by 10. 5 by 10 means how many? 5s are here 10? 2. So 1 by 2. 4 by 8 means how many? 4s are 8? 2 4s are 8. So 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 equal to 1 by 2. This is the correct option. Which of the following figures shows only line segment PQ? Line segment means we put a line and then one dot is here and here. But if we put this arrow, that is line. This is line segment. If we put 2 dots, that is line segment. So B is the correct option. What number should go in the box to make the statement true? 1 by 2 equal to dash by 8. How we get? 2 into 4 equal to 8. So we multiply numerator also with 4. That is 1 into 4 equal to 4. That is C is the correct option. Next one. Which of the following is a prime number? Prime number means the factors which is the same number and 1. No other factors are there. That is a prime number. So here 21 means 3 into 7 is possible. So it's not a prime number. Here 33. 11 into 3 is possible. So it's not a prime number. 49. 7 into 7 is possible. So it's not a prime number. 53 means only factors 1 and 53. No other factors. So D is the prime number. That is 53 is the prime number. D is the correct option. Next one. What number should go in the blank to make the given number sentence true? 100 equal to 4 into 1 number into 5. 4 into 5 means 20. 20 into 1 number equal to 100. Which is the number? 20 into 5 equal to 100. So 5 is the correct option. Next one. If 3 flowers stands for 3. So 1 flower means 1 flower means 1. 1 flower means 1. Then triangle plus 2 flower equal to 7. So triangle means 2 flower means 2. Then triangle means 7 minus 2, that is 5. Here star stands for 20. 2 star stands for 20, that is 1 star equal to 10. Then square stands for 100. Then 4 square means 4 into 100, that is 400. Then here star means 10. 3 tens, that is 3 into 10, that is 30. Here triangle. Triangle means 5. So 3 5s are 15. Here how many flowers? 4 flowers. 1 flower means 1. That is 4 flowers means 4 into 1. 4. So how much we get? That is 4 into 100 means 400 plus 3 into 10 means 30. 3 into 5 means 15. 4 into 1 means 4. So adding up 5 plus 4, 9. 3 plus 1, 4. 4. 449. C is the correct option. Next one, what fraction of the given figure is unshaded? Here unshaded part is 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4 part. Shaded part is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 more. That is total part is 10. So total part 10. How many shaded? Unshaded part 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 by 10. So this is the correct option. That is, if we take the shaded part fraction, that is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 by 10 is the answer. But here we look the unshaded part. So we look the questions carefully. Is it shaded or unshaded? Next question. The class is making cards to give to their friends. They must use congruent, same size and shape triangles are congruent triangles. Look at Jamal's triangle. Jamal needs another triangle that is congruent to put on his card. Which triangle should he choose? That is, Jamal's triangle is here 90 degree. That is right angled triangle here. So, which is the option? This is the correct option. This is one right angled triangle here. Because if we place this triangle and this triangle, so it is the same size and shape. Next one, a number has 24 ones, 3 hundreds and 15 tens. What is the number? How we look? 24 ones means 24 into 1, that is 24. Then 3 hundreds, 3 into 100, that is 300. How we write this? In ones place 0, tens place 0, hundreds place 3. Then 15 tens. 15 tens means 15 into 10, that is 150. So 150. 0 in ones place, 5 in tens place, 1 in 100 place. So if we add up this, 4 plus 0 plus 0, that is 4. 5 plus 2, 7. 3 plus 1, 4. 474. This is the correct option. Next one, 1 by 12 plus 1 by 12, 1 by 12, etc. How many here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. That is a 7 by 12. Yes. Then here 1 by 2. 7 by 12 minus 1 by 2. How we write this? 1 by 2 means by 12. How many by 12 is 1 by 2? That is 1 by 2. 2 into 6 equal to 12. So here also into 6. That is 6 by 12 is same as 1 by 2. So we write 7 by 12 minus 6 by 12. That is denominators are same here. So we have to subtract this. 7 minus 6, that is 1 by 12. So 1 by 12 is the correct option. If we subtract one fraction from another fraction, if the denominators are same, we have to find the difference between the numerator. Otherwise, we have no chance to do it. We have to do after changing the denominator same. Next question. 31st question. Tammy has 5 boxes of markers. There are 8 markers in each box. Which of the options shows the way to find the total number of markers that Tammy has? 5 boxes of markers and each contains 8 markers. So 5 into 8. We get the markers, total number of markers. So 5 plus 8 equal to square. This is not possible. This also not possible. 5 plus 8 not possible. 8 into 5. It's this possible, but 8 divided by 5 is not possible. So here 8 into 5 is 1 box and 5 into 8 equal to 1 box. This is possible because 8 into 5 and 5 into 8 are same. Next one, 32. If diamond plus diamond plus diamond plus diamond, that is 4 diamond equal to 1240, then 1000 minus 1 diamond equal to square. Square minus diamond equal to etra. How many? This is 4 diamond equal to 1240. So 1 diamond means how much? 1 diamond. Here 1 diamond means 1240 divided by 4. That is 1 not possible. So 0. 12. 4 3s are 12. So 12, 0, 4. 1 4s are 4. Then also 1 0. 310. So diamond means 310. So 1000 minus 310. 1000 minus 310. 0 minus 0. 0 minus 0 is not possible. So here 9. Here 10. 10 minus 1, 9. Here 9 minus 3 means 6. 690. So this means this 1000 minus 310 equal to 690. That is 1 square is 690. So square minus diamond, that is 690 minus diamond means how much? 310. 310. 0 minus 0, 0. 9 minus 1, 8. 6 minus 3, 3. 380. That is, this is the correct option, 32C. Next one, Anjali read the given pages each month. In which month did Anjali read most pages? January 4176, February 4416, March 4768, April 4716. How we look the most pages, that is the greatest value. How we look? We look the thousands place first, so it's the same. Then we look the hundreds place, so this is the greatest, so 2 of them are here. So we look the tens place, so this is the correct option. Here 4768, so March. So C is the correct option. Next one, which sign goes in the box? Here 2 by 3 and here 1 by 3. 2 by 3 or 1 by 3. Which is the greatest? That is 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 3. If the denominators are same, greatest numerator has greatest value. So 2 is greater than 1. So 2 by 3 is greater than 1 by 3. B is the correct option. Next one, look at the problem given here. Square equal to triangle plus 4. If triangle equal to 7, what is square? Triangle equal to 7. If we write this as 7. So square equal to 7 plus 4. 7 plus 4 means 11. So C is the correct option. Next one, QRST is a rectangle. This is a rectangle. QRST is a rectangle. UVWX is a square. This is a square. Find UT. Find out this one. How we look? If this is a rectangle, this side and this side are same. So 10 and here 10. But from here to here 8. So this portion is 2. Then in the square all the sides are equal. So this is a 7 centimeter. Also this is 7 centimeter. This part only 2 centimeter. So this is 7 minus 2, that is 5 centimeter. So A is the correct option. Next one. Which is true? 9 divided by 18 equal to 18 divided by 9. Not possible. That is 9 divided by 18 means 9 by 18. That is 1 by 2. 9 2s are 18. So 1 by 2. 18 divided by 9 means 2 by 1. That is 2. 1 by 2 is not equal to 2. So this is not correct. 9 plus 18 equal to 80 minus 9. 18 plus 9 means 27. 18 minus 9. 9 plus 18 means 27 and 18 minus 9 means 9. So this is not possible, not equal. Here 18 plus 9 equal to 18 minus 9 equal to 27. 18 into 9 162. Not possible. 27 is not equal to 162. 9 plus 18 equal to 18 plus 9. Addition, there is the same as 9 plus 18 equal to 18 plus 9. So this is the correct option. Only in addition and multiplication this rule is true. Which of the following will be a true statement if an equal sign is placed in the box? 1 day means 24 minutes? No, 1 day means 24 hours, not minutes. 1 hour means 60 minutes. Yes, this is the correct option. 2 hours means 1 day? No, 24 hours means 1 day. 10 minutes means how many seconds? 1 minute means 60 seconds. So 10 minutes means 600 seconds, not 3600 seconds. 39. The points on this number line represents a pattern. What is the pattern? 2, plus 6 equal to 8. 8 plus 6 equal to 14. 14 plus 6 equal to 20. 20 plus 6 equal to 26. 26 plus 6 equal to 32. So, it is the addition of 6. If we add 32 plus 6, so 38. 38 plus 6, 44. 44 plus 6, 50. 50 plus 6, 56. 56 plus 6, 62. That is A is the correct option. It is the same as this pattern. Tanya bought these items at a sale. She went to the sale with a rupees 500 note. How much money is left with her now? Tanya bought these items at a sale, rupees 500. So, how much money is left with her? Here, one car cost 175 and one beer cost 165. So, total 175 plus 165. 5 plus 5, 10, 0, 1 carry over, 8 plus 6, 14, 4, 1 carry over, 1 plus 1, 2, 2 plus 1, 3, 340. How much money is with her? 500. So, 500 minus 340. That is 0 minus 0, 0. 0 minus 4 is not possible. So, here, from here, 10 minus 4, that is 6. 4 minus 3, 1. 160 rupees left with her. Next question. Next question we will do in the next part. If you like this class, you like and share, and please subscribe for more such sessions. Thanks for watching.